Cryptocurrency hardware wallets are the only way we can 100% completely own and control our Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other digital assets in a safe and secure way. And as daunting and complicated as setting up and using our own cold storage hardware wallet may seem, it's actually super simple and straightforward with Tangem Wallet. It is the most affordable and easiest crypto hardware wallet to use on the market. Literally anyone can set it up and do everything the cryptoverse has to offer us. It's multi-chain, multi-currency. We can buy, sell, swap, trade, stake, use DeFi, all with the tap of a card to our phones. And we are going to do all of that and more together, step by step. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and this is the ultimate beginner's guide on setting up and using our very own cold storage hardware wallet with Tangem Wallet, so we can transfer our cryptocurrencies off of exchanges to completely 100% own and control all of our digital assets. Let's hit it. Opening the box here, we have the 3 Tangem cards. This is their staple design, a sleek matte black design. They also offer the Tangem Ring, the first wearable cryptocurrency wallet that is stylish and designed so no one would know or suspect it is actually a crypto wallet. And what's fun about Tangem is they frequently offer cool limited edition collections, like this orange Bitcoin design, stealth design featuring 2 completely blank black cards with no information on them whatsoever, so no one would ever suspect it was a cryptocurrency wallet. We've got a Crypto Casey inspired 3 Pillars of Blockchain edition with different colors and designs. And Tangem has a lot of other creative co-branded designs to always be on the lookout for. Alright, let's check out how fast and easy it is to become our own bank in less than 90 seconds with Tangem Wallet. Installing the correct and official Tangem mobile app on our phones, and opening the app, tap Scan Card or Ring, and touch one of the cards to your phone like so. Next, click Create Wallet, and tap the card to your phone again. And voila, we have a crypto wallet. Super simple and straightforward. Now that we have a wallet, let's create backups of it. Note that each card functions exactly the same, so all 3 cards are identical when in use. Now tap Add a Card or Ring, and then tap Add a Backup Card, and tap the second card to your phone. Cool. Now tap Add a Card or Ring again, and tap the third card to your phone. Then tap Finalize Backup, and now we need to create an access code to secure the wallets. So tap Create, then enter whatever combination of letters, words, phrases, or numbers you want to use to access your wallet. Re-enter it to verify the access code, and then tap Scan Card. Use the primary card, the first card you tap to your phone when creating the wallet, ending the corresponding numbers, holding it to your phone until the operation is complete. Then repeat this process for the other 2 cards by tapping Scan Card, holding the second card to your phone until the operation is complete, then repeat this once more with the third card. And that's it. We can add whatever tokens we want, have, or are interested in here on this screen. Let's tap Bitcoin to add it, then Ethereum, which opens up a drop-down where we can choose which network we want to support for Ethereum, like Solana, or Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum 1, Aurora, Base, etc. We'll choose Ethereum's main native network here. Add Tether, the most popular stablecoin, which is also supported on multiple different blockchain networks. We'll choose Ethereum, mainnet again, and let's also add Solana's main network. Sweet! Now tap Continue, tap one of the cards to your phone to scan it one final time, and success! Our Tangem wallet is configured and ready for use. Tap Continue to my wallet, and here we are at our brand new crypto wallet dashboard. At the top, we can see our wallet balance. Below that, we have options to buy, swap, and sell crypto. And below that, we have a list of our cryptocurrencies we chose to add to our wallet during setup. Amazing. Now let's transfer some cryptocurrencies between an exchange and our Tangem wallet together so we can get more comfortable with the process. And after that, we'll go through all of Tangem's features and connect our Tangem wallet to DeFi or decentralized financial applications like Jupiter, a DEX or decentralized exchange on Solana. Let's move some Bitcoin we have on our Uphold account to hold in our very own cold storage hardware wallet, Tangem Wallet. And if you haven't signed up for a free Uphold account yet, it's definitely worth checking out if you're in the crypto space. It's an on-chain wealth management platform that is way better and safer than traditional centralized crypto exchanges and traditional banks. It's the next generation of finance that is connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, so we get the best possible prices for crypto on the market, way more liquidity when trading, and everything on the platform is a trading pair, meaning we can seamlessly trade anything to anything, crypto to crypto, crypto to precious metals, or any national currencies around the world. And when we trade our first $100, we get $20 free. Uphold keeps our crypto and cash 100% backed, 1-to-1, where we can get 4.5% APY and a $2.5 million FDIC Insured US dollar savings account. And we can stake our crypto with Uphold to automatically earn rewards every week. The more we stake, the more we earn. It only takes like 90 seconds to sign up for free, so scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet! Now let's transfer our Bitcoin from Uphold to Tangem. Open the Tangem app, tap Scan Card, scan the card, enter the access code, scan the card again, and from here on the dashboard, tap Bitcoin, then tap Receive, and then tap the Copy button to copy your Tangem wallet Bitcoin address. Next, open the Uphold app, tap the Withdraw button, tap on your Bitcoin account, choose Crypto Networks for the withdrawal method, choose Bitcoin Network, paste the Tangem Bitcoin wallet address into the field, and tap Next. Enter the amount of Bitcoin we want to send. I always recommend sending a small amount as a test first to make sure everything goes all right. In this case, we are sending $50 worth of Bitcoin. Tap Preview Withdrawal. Make sure everything looks good, then tap Confirm Withdrawal. Read over any notification screens like this one about how to spot scams and fraud. In this case, we are moving funds to our non-custodial wallet, then tap Next. Read over one last caution note that is designed to protect our funds from scams. Then tap Continue. Enter the verification code generated by your authenticator app. Tap Confirm. And great! The transaction is now processing. After a few minutes, when we open up our Tangem app, we will see our Bitcoin. We now completely own and control in our cold storage, non-custodial hardware wallet, Tangem wallet. Repeat this same process for any other type of cryptocurrency by copying the corresponding address on Tangem wallet. Also making sure we select the right network. Like for example, with Tether, there are many other available networks like Ethereum versus Solana versus Tron, Avalanche, and more. Then repeat the same similar process on any other exchange you may have crypto on by using the send function, pasting the address in the recipient field, and checking to make sure everything looks good before sending. See, the process is actually easier and much simpler than most people new to crypto think, and it's a lot like riding a bike. I can explain to you how to ride a bike, show you how to ride a bike, and you can read about riding a bike. However, at the end of the day, you need to get on the bike and ride it for yourself to learn. So start practicing transferring to and from different exchanges and wallets so we can finally realize just how revolutionary this technology is with firsthand experience to understand why it is the future foundation of the new global financial system. Amazing. So what's great about Tangem Wallet is that we don't have to send our crypto back to Uphold or any other exchange to sell our crypto to take profit in fiat currency or stablecoins. Check it out. Here in the Tangem app, we can either sell our crypto for fiat like US dollars by tapping the sell button, choosing what token we want to sell, like our Bitcoin here, and we can sell our crypto straight from our Tangem wallet with MoonPay, which is super convenient, simple, and straightforward. You'll have to set up an account with them, which I always highly recommend having multiple account options to trade and sell crypto when the market is hot, especially as some services get overwhelmed with volume, freeze transactions, or delay withdrawals. Or also on the main dashboard, we can tap Swap. Choose the token we want to swap for another token or a stablecoin like USDT, Tether, to lock in profits. So if we choose our Bitcoin here, choose to swap it for Tether, and select an amount to swap, then Tangem automatically finds the provider with the best rates. In this case, Changely, allowing us to swap crypto right from our Tangem wallet without having to transfer crypto from our wallets to exchanges. Sweet. Now, if we want to send our crypto to a wealth management platform like Uphold, another exchange, or another wallet from our Tangem wallet, it's easy. Open the Uphold app, tap Deposit. For funding sources, choose Crypto Networks, choose Bitcoin Network, tap Show Address, tap to check the box confirming you understand you can only deposit Bitcoin to the account from the Bitcoin Network, tap I understand, tap the copy icon next to the address to copy it, go to the Tangem app, tap Bitcoin, tap Send, tap the recipient field, and paste the Uphold Bitcoin wallet address into it, tap Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, then tap Next, make sure everything looks good, and then tap Send. You'll need to tap the Tangem card to your phone and enter your access code. Then after a few minutes, the Bitcoin will show up in your Uphold account. Cool. In addition to buying, selling, and swapping crypto, we can stake crypto directly from the Tangem app. From the dashboard, tapping on the search bar at the bottom, sorting by the staking category, we can see options to stake Cosmos Hub or Atom for 16.47% APR, Solana for 6.47% APY, Tron for 3.3% APR, Polygon for 2.87% APR, and BNB for 1.3% APY. We can also use our Tangem wallet to store any NFTs or non-fungible tokens we have. When transferring the NFT to our Tangem wallet, simply choose the blockchain network the NFT is on, whether that be Ethereum, so send it to your Tangem Ethereum address, or Solana, so send it to your Solana address. Just make sure you're crystal clear on the NFTs network in order to avoid losing it. In addition to staking and storing NFTs, we can interact with Web3 and DeFi, or decentralized financial apps and protocols, all across the cryptoverse. Check it out. Let's connect our Tangem wallet to a Web3 application so we can start using decentralized platforms like Jupiter on Solana. It may sound complicated, but it's ridiculously easy. Open the Tangem app with your Tangem card, tap the three dots in the right-hand corner of the screen, tap Wallet Connect, tap the Add button in the top right-hand corner, go to the correct and official Jupiter Exchange app site, click Connect in the top right-hand corner, select your wallet, in this case it's Tangem, scan the QR code with your phone, tap Start, and you're connected, ready to trade cryptocurrencies, swap tokens, make recurring buys, and even have access to buy pre-IPO stocks, all on-chain, on Solana. Here's the deal. Instead of us trying to just buy random cryptocurrencies low to sell high later, we need to actually start dabbling in the Web3 space by trying out DeFi features. It's mind-blowing. You'll be amazed, trust me. Alright, so a couple other cool features in the Tangem wallet. On the dashboard, tapping on the search bar below, this is where we can search for tokens to add to our wallet dashboard. And using this filter on the right, we can choose to see activity over the past 24 hours, 7 days, or even the past minute. And using this filter on the left, we can sort tokens by capitalization, tokens that are trending, tokens being bought by experienced buyers, top gainers, losers, and of course, tokens we can stake on Tangem. And when we tap on any token from the list, we can see price activity at different intervals, we can add it to our portfolio, we can view its security score, metrics like market cap, market position, trading volume, and supply, what exchanges it's listed on, and links to their official sites, social media accounts, white papers, and more. Very nice. And here's one of my favorite features about Tangem Wallet. If we have multiple sets of different Tangem wallets, like a set of 3 cards and also a Tangem ring with 2 cards, and even more, we can easily manage all of them in one place on the Tangem app. Here on the dashboard, if we click on the 3 white dots in the top right-hand corner, we can tap Add New Wallet. And then all we need to do is tap the card or ring to our phone and enter our access code to link it. Now at the top of our dashboard, we can seamlessly slide through all of our Tangem wallets in one place. Super straightforward and easy. Another interesting option we have when first setting up our Tangem wallet is we can import a seed phrase from an existing wallet using the 12 or 24 words. Or in addition to generating the private keys using a certified true random number generator, where the keys are generated and stored directly inside of the chips in the cards, where neither Tangem nor anyone else can see what it is and no copies exist in space and time outside of our Tangem cards, we can choose to generate a seed phrase. Keep in mind, if we don't choose to generate a seed phrase during the initial setup, it won't be possible after. Also keep in mind, this is a less secure way of generating wallet keys because Tangem creates a seed phrase through their app on your phone, a hot device connected to the internet, which compromises the cold storage aspect of the wallet. So if we do decide to create a seed phrase for our Tangem wallet, or if we decide to import a seed phrase from an existing wallet, we need to carefully consider the pros and cons of each option and decide which one we are most comfortable with long term. If you decide to go with a seed phrase, do not take any pictures of it or save it on any device connected to the internet. Invest in offline options for storing private keys, like the Crypto Steel Capsule. It is a solid steel capsule that protects your 24-word recovery phrase, designed to resist extreme conditions. Or the Bill Fodl is another option. It is a solid steel case that stores and protects your 24-word recovery phrase, designed to resist fire, water, and more. At the end of the day, always keep in mind that vulnerabilities and security risks are still present because, as we've discussed in several videos together on the channel, if anyone has access to your seed phrase, like if they came across them written on a piece of paper, had access to your Crypto Steel Capsule or Bill Fodl with the seed phrase, or if you stored it on a device that can be hacked, like your computer or cell phone, or if a scammer tricks you by pretending to be Tangem, Coinbase, or any other crypto product service provider by sending you a fake email, or by directing you to a fake site and instructing you to give them your seed phrase by lying and saying your funds need to be recovered or similar, then all of the funds on your wallet will be gone. So yes, seed phrases are designed to help us self-custody and manage our cryptocurrencies and digital assets more easily and restore any lost access to our funds. However, like we just discussed, there are risks. Here's the deal. Cryptocurrency private keys are generated by elaborate mathematical algorithms where data is encrypted many times over and over again using a huge amount of computing power, right? Private keys are the most important aspect of our crypto wallets. We need to keep our private keys private, so why go through all of that just to have it converted into a 12 or 24 word phrase that can be used by anyone at any time to steal everything. Something to consider. So do your own research. Never put all of your eggs, your crypto, in one basket, or even several of the same types of baskets. Diversification in investments is just as important as diversification of the same types of assets, like spreading cash into several different banks and spreading crypto across different types of wallets. With Tangem Wallet, we can put each card in different geographical locations in case we need to restore access to our digital assets. And if anyone else happens to come across the card, or steals the card, or even downloads the Tangem Wallet app and tries to access our funds, they wouldn't be able to because our access code we created during setup is an additional security layer that encrypts our wallet. Awesome. If you would like to learn how we can use AI to make passive profits in crypto from the constant up and down price action with GoBabyTrade, check out this video. If you would like to learn how the next generation of banking with Uphold is a way better and safer option for storing our money and managing crypto than banks and exchanges, check out this video. And to get your very own Tangem wallet to finally completely own and control your digital assets, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.